Okay, so to do this, you're going to the front side, you're going to label it given, and then the middle part will be your molar mass, and then this part will be your unit conversions. So when I talk about unit conversions, that is the bottom, molar mass is the middle, and then the given is the top. So let's start off with molar mass. So you need to find the molar mass for every single one of these. So whenever you find the molar mass, this is how you do it. Let's use baking soda as an example. We should get 84 grams per mole. So in order to do that, you have to write out the elements. Your compound is NaHCO3, okay, sodium carbonate. And then this is going to be the atom numbers. So 1 Na, 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen. So you write it out, and then you find the masses from the periodic table. So you have to use the masses on the periodic table, and don't forget to round, okay? So this one, for example, it's 15.99 on the periodic table, but it's actually going to be 16. So you multiply across. So when you multiply, you should get these numbers, and then from there, you just add it all up, and then you should get this number. So you're doing this for every single one of the compounds, and then you're recording it over here. So from here, you're going to be using that molar mass for the backside. So whenever we look at the backside, what we're going to be doing is step number 1 for each problem, converting from moles to grams, and then grams to baking measurement. Okay? All right, 1 second. Everyone needs to lower their voice, please. Shh. Everyone. Okay. Which means you should not be talking. Okay. Stop talking, please. Ask me later. Okay, so from here, you're gonna look at each ingredient. So list out each ingredient that you will be calculating for, and then you're going to be having this little calculation set up. So you're gonna draw 3 columns and a fraction set up. So this first section should be given, this middle section should be molar mass, and this section should be unit conversions. So the way that it's going to be set up is going to be going from moles to grams, grams to your baking measurement. So your given is literally the number that you were given in the beginning. So this number, okay? Molar mass, we just solved for, which is 84. And that is going to be right over here. You put this over 1. And then for your unit conversion, you're going to look at this part. So it's 1 teaspoon is equal to 2.84 grams. So from here, your 2.84 grams will go on the bottom, and whatever unit measurement you will have is on the top. So we know that one should be on the top, one should be on the bottom, so that they cancel out, and same thing with grams. And then you're left with teaspoons, okay? So same thing for the next one. Moles will be canceled out, and grams is also canceled out, and you're left with cups. So whenever you multiply this out, this is what you should be putting in your calculator, which is 0.01675 times 84 times 1 divided by 1 times 2.84, okay? So whenever you do that, it should be 0.495, and then whenever you convert it into a fraction, it should be this fraction, okay? So make sure you do that for every one of them, and that is all you gotta do.